Hello and welcome to this walkthrough of ModelICE. In this video we want to show you how to use ModelICE. Therefore let's create a new project. And let's assume we want to build a small weather station. Alright. Now that we have a new project, we have to plan a weather station. Therefore I will create a new package so we can add some use case diagram. Okay, so let's add the diagram. And let's plan a weather station. First I will add a package which will be representing the weather station in this diagram. Alright, and let's think about the users who would use such a station. Well, for sure there will be a meteorologist. He will be analyzing the weather, and let's say there will be some kind of administrator who will be looking out over the station. Okay, and let's add a third user, which would be some kind of a watchman who will be looking out for potential disasters. Okay, now let's take a closer look at the meteorologist. As I said, he will be analyzing the weather, so let's add the use case and name it Analyze Weather. Alright. Now let's link the actor and the use case together. Since these Analyze Weather use cases kinda unspecific, let's add two more use cases which will be included in the Analyze Weather use case. The first one, let's say, will be measure the humidity. Alright, and let's say the second one will also measure the wind speed. Okay, and as I said, those use cases will be included in the Analyze Weather use case. So include the humidity and let's include measuring the wind speed. Alright, now let me jump ahead and show you the rest of the diagram.
Okay, as you can see, I now given the administrator the use case of checking system status, which include reading log data and checking the sensor status. I also given the watchman the use case check for potential dangers, which extend analyzing the weather, and also to check if the data is correct, that it will check the sensor status. Okay, now we got the basic idea of our station. Let's think about the actors and how we best describe them. For sure, they are all users, so maybe let's create a new package and add some class diagram. In this class diagram, we can best describe the users. Okay, users. Alright, now in this diagram, we will first add a new class. We call the class users. Okay, and we will make it abstract. Now we want to give this class an attribute. Well, we will name it the attribute of the name, and we will give it a type of string. Right, string. Okay. Now the next class we create will be the class to describe the meteorologist. Okay, this class will get operation, which will be analyze weather. Okay, and we'll also give him the operation of give forecast. Alright. Okay, now I added the remaining classes. As you can see, I've given the administrator the operation of check system status and the watchman to check for danger and give alert. Now let's add some generalizations to show that these classes will be extended by the abstract class. Okay. We now have an idea on how a weather station is structured and how to describe the actors. Last but not least, we will take a look at a specific action. Therefore, I will add a new package. Okay, and add an activity diagram. Now, in this activity diagram, I want to take a closer look at the watchman. Alright. Starting the diagram, the first thing you will have to do is you will be analyzing the weather. Okay, so let's add the action analyze weather. Alright, so okay, so afterwards, when he analyzed the weather, he will have to make a decision whether there is potential danger or not. Now, if there is danger imminent, you have to check the sensor status to be sure there really is danger and that the sensors are not just malfunctioning. Alright, so here you have to check the sensor status, and we will add the control flow between the decision and check sensor status and say danger. Alright, now if you check the sensor status, you will have to again make a decision whether the sensors are malfunctioning or not, and if they are, you have to contact the administrator so that the administrator will take care of this malfunction. Okay, so the action will be contact at. Alright. Now, when he contacted the administrator, the process will terminate because the administrator have to take care of the problem. Okay, let's set the control flows. Let's say sensors are null. Alright, and after he contacted the administrator, the process will terminate, as I've already said. Alright, now I will jump ahead and show you the rest of the diagram. As you can see, I've joined the two branches and make another decision whether there is actually danger or not. If there is danger, you will have to give it an alert and the process terminates. Or if there is no danger, the process just terminates. Alright, in summary, we sketched in no time a very basic model of a weather station using ModelICE. We used a use case, a class, and an activity diagram. Beside of those, ModelICE also support a variety of other UML diagram types. But ModelICE is not only an UML modeling tool, but it also supports bigger projects. For example, you can open your entire EA project and browse through the models without the downtime of hardware capacity limits. You can share those projects to a coworker or to either work simultaneously with you on a project or to just present him your results. We hope this gives you an insight in ModelICE, and we hope to hear from you soon.